told us those strong winds could cause some power outages around the state.
Yeah, and our reporter Alyssa Munoz continues our team weather coverage to show us how PNM is preparing. Alyssa.
Good morning, guys. Well, Hinkle Fun Center is actually behind me. I know you see all those flags are whipping here in the air. So we're already experiencing those strong winds right now. But PNM says they have crews ready in case anybody loses power. So as I said, those strong winds can easily blow things over. So make sure to tie things down in your yard because they can easily fly away and hit power lines. If there is a red flag warning in any area, the company also says power lines are put in wildfire safety mode, which can mean reducing or shutting the power off.
In this scenario, when we're in wildfire safety mode, as soon as something touches it, our reclosers open and the power is out. That is to make sure that no sparks fly and we're not the source of an ignition for a wildfire.
Another good thing is to have a kit ready with some snacks, maybe some water, or even an extra charger just in case your power does go out. And you should also have a backup plan with maybe a family member or a friend in case you need to go to their house. Now, if you do experience a power outage, make sure to report it. Reporting live, I'm Alyssa Munoz, KWT Action 7 News.